So let's say you made this bracket for, a stepper motor, or it could be for anything really. And it will work, but man, it will snap so easy right here. It's barely just held by this little tiny amount. A professional would have made something called a rib, which connects this to here. So let's do that. So I'm going to just delete this bottom part off because I don't think the stepper motor would fit in there anyway. Once I added this bottom piece, there's less room down here, and I don't know that these holes will line up to the stepper motor anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and pretty much delete these last few things, which was the sketch, that extrusion, and this drawing. And now that I'm done, I have the original plate. I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger. This is the original drawing right here. I made it 2 inches by 2 inches. Let's go, 2.6 by 2.6. Actually, I'm going to go 2.6 by, I could use more room up and down because of the thing, so I'm going to go 2.65. There we go. And that'll give me a little more room for that plate on the bottom, maybe. Actually, yeah. Actually, I would rather go more this way, but that's fine. So, because I do have a little bit more room, I need that plate to be down here. All right, done. So now it is definitely bigger, and possibly room for those ribs now. So, if you need it bigger than this, you can do that. This is all up to you. These are not exact numbers. Sketch, click this face, and I'm going to go ahead and draw using a corner rectangle, grabbing this corner and hitting that wall right here. And of course, I just need to adjust that thickness to, whatever the thickness of the middle. 0.05 is the thickness I had it at. It's really thin. And done. And extrude. You can make it thicker. Sometimes you start making things too thick though. I'm going to go out like, let's say, 1.5 inches. If you make it too thick, it's trouble finding screws that are that long. Then it's real bulky. So, but thicker is better for strength though, that's for sure. So now I'm going to hold it sideways right here. And notice when I draw a sketch though, let me see if I can show you this. I'm going to hide the front plane, and then I'm going to hide the top plane right here. There we go. Notice the one plane I'm showing you is right in the middle right here. So if I want to draw, I might want to draw right here on this edge, not on this plane, because I don't want the rib in the middle. I want to put 2 ribs on the edges. So I'm going to say sketch on this plane right there. There we go. See how it made a plane right there? So I'm going to do that. And we're going to go, let's draw a triangle of sorts. So touch this line. Touch this line. We got to close it all the way. Touch that corner and touch that line. There we go. Now all we have to do is give it 2 dimensions. And we can click this dimension. And this is all up to you. I'm going to go 0.5 inches just to make a nice clean number. And here I'm going to go with, I can do 0.5 if you want it even like that. Or if you want it looking a little bit more fancy, I don't know, maybe get 0.35 and have more angled approach. Most of the weight is going to be up here on this guy. And if you want them bigger than this, you can make them bigger than that possibly. In fact, why not? Let's do that. Let's make it bigger. I'm going to make some huge ribs so it's stronger. So let's go 1 inch up here, and let's go 0.75 inches, 3/4 of an inch that way. Done. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click extrude, and we're going to go the other direction. So click this arrow, and I'm not going to cover the hole. Let's go 0.05 for now. That's how thick all my stuff is. And I do have something that's going to make it much, much more stronger now. Okay, so this is all combined, still one part, and that's going to be much stronger. It's going to be much harder to flip this and break that off. That has this, and we'll add one to the other side. We can go ahead and draw the other side, do the exact same thing and add a second one. You can also try to do there's actually a rib feature to do these. I don't want to go over that tutorial, but there is a pattern feature. I think is it this one? Mirror? Let's see, mirror. Part mirror? No, not the whole part, just a feature. What feature? I can't click this by itself, so I'm going to click my extrusion. There you go. And then mirror plane. Oh, the mirror will be this. Remember, this is halfway in the middle. So click that. I'm clicking that plane that was right in the middle, and that was the plane. There we go. And it looks like that worked. If that doesn't work, you can always just draw the other side and just repeat. And that's going to be much stronger, much stronger. If you want to go all the way to the back, it might even be stronger. Who knows? So this is definitely, a way to go to make your part stronger. It's more professional and it's more legit. All right, guys?